Hello guys, welcome to Kids Effects. Now in today's video, I'm going to be flipping this $120 into $3,000. Now I'm doing this for a client and he has asked me to actually flip this, but not aggressively, just gradually. So let's see how we can actually take this account into $3,000 in no time. Now let's check. All right, now we are on gold right now, and we are on gold 1 hour time frame. And right now I'm seeing a setup on gold, and I'm seeing a sell setup because on our 1 hour time frame we're having the market going in the downside, making the lower highs and lower lows. So now right now we are at our lower high, and we're expecting the market to actually move from this point now to the lower low. So we are actually targeting this. As you can see, it's doing lower highs, lower lows. So we are actually targeting the next lower low from this lower high that we are in right now. So let's enter some positions now, and let's see where this market will actually take us to. Now we are entering our positions right now, and we have entered one position. We're adding some other positions to it again. Let's just add some positions. All right, let's add some positions. All right, now I think we are okay with these positions that we have added so far, and our target right now is this line that we have actually drew right below this level. The target is the market should actually take us to this line down, or even beyond this line down. So we're actually looking at the market taking us to that point and even beyond. Of course, you know, gold is quite volatile, and when you're making your forecast on gold, you should be wary of over forecasting, so you not get caught up with the volatility and uncertainty of gold. So let's just go back and see what the reaction is on our entry right now. Now, as you can see, the market is reacting to our entries. Now let's just go back and check and see again. Yeah, we are getting some reactions from the market, and let's just be hopeful that this trade goes well and it will get our account into some very good profit. So as you can see, the market is just fluctuating, giving us some profit and as well giving us some. So let's just close our chart now and come back and see what the market will actually give us after now. So let's just go back and come back and see if the market will actually do something good for us. Right, welcome guys. As you can see right now, the market is actually giving us some very good profit, and we are floating around $400. Wow. Now the market is actually moving very fast right now, and we are getting $500 and even more. We are seeing the pool right about now, even beyond where we entered. So let's just quickly try close our trades right now, because the volatility is very high in the market. Let's just close out. Let's close right now. Let's close. The volatility is very high in the market right now. Let's just close and pick our profits from the market. All right, we're closing right now. Good. Now we have closed our profit right now, and we are standing at $518.56. Now this is very good profit for a start. This is very good profit. Hopefully we are able to get another very good entry and raise this account into something very reasonable, or probably get to our $3,000 goal. All right, let's just go and check another entry. Right now we are still on gold right now, and we are seeing a very good pull to the upside, and right now we're looking at buying this market right now, because on our 1 hour time frame that we are looking right now, we are seeing that the market is doing a very good reaction. Now I'm targeting this particular point I just drew right now, and I'm targeting that it will get to that point and even get beyond. So let's just enter some very good entries right now and see where we get to. Okay, all right, we are entered some two positions right now, and we are entering another position. Okay, okay, all right, now I think I'm okay with these positions I've entered so far. Let's just see what the market will do right now. We are getting some good reactions to the upside. Hopefully, let's see where the market will push to. Probably gets us what we want. So let us just close our chart now and come back and see. Good. Now we are back again, and the market is really pushing to the upside, and it has given us over $3,000 right now. This is very fast, and I really didn't expect this from the market. The volatility was very high, and it's giving us $3,000 and hitting our TP right now. And as you can see, it hasn't even gotten to our targeted line, but of course our target is $3,000, so we don't have to wait till it gets to that point. So we've actually hit our target. So what we are going to be doing right now is to quickly secure our profit and close our trade. So let's just start closing up right now. Let's just start closing up. All right, now we are closing our charts right now. We are closing our trades right now. All right, let's just quickly close. Let's quickly close, so that we'll secure our profits, because we've actually hit our target. All right, okay, we're closing, we are closing. Good. Now we have closed our trades right now, and our profit is standing at $3,133 right now, and which is very good. Our target is $3,000, and of course we have gotten the $3,000. We don't have to be greedy, so we have gotten our profit that we need from the market, which is very good. Now, if you like this video and you want us to do something like this with your account, you can actually send us a WhatsApp message, and of course you can also send us an email, and we'll be glad to help you flip your account and as well manage your trading account for you. You can also join our free Telegram channel, where we share free signals of our trades. So, and you can also like and subscribe to this channel, so you can be getting more content from this channel. Now, until I see you again, keep making every peep count. Peace out.